Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture.tv. Straight up, I would like to send all of my prayers and thoughts to everybody over in California in the United States, over in these crazy wild bushfires. I have a lot of family over there as well. We have been in contact. They are well and safe. I reach out to you and your families. Our prayers and thoughts are with you. I'm sticking together and just hoping everyone is well and safe. I wanted to send out that message, and at the same time I wanted to send out my message of love and hope and prayers to anyone in Saudi. The floods are just insane. It's devastating what is happening over there as well. So we will just carry on with this video, which you can see by the title why did I do this. In a nutshell, not because of the collection, not because of the hype, because of the item. And this was what was really interesting. Is I was speaking to Meredith here on YouTube, who has a ginormous Louis Vuitton collection and a lot of this, and she was like, I love my items, so this new collection appeals to me, but I'm not going to do it again when I already have it. And I actually heard I heard someone say it's not as if it's new. It had been around for over 10 years, still running and still new. I had new pieces, but I was in love with this collection like everybody else, from Miss Jessica Simpson. So we're going to go ahead. I'm loving these blind unboxings. I've seen a couple of other girls do them as well, and I've done them in my last video that you saw, and we're going to do it now. So this is a blind unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Murakami collection. Now you will see that this is a complete Louis Vuitton setup. Nothing to do with Murakami, nothing to do with Murakami ribbons or the tags or the panda or anything at all. And we can get into that at the end. So, opening the drop box, it's a lot smaller than I thought, which is quite good because on the side the name is different. So here we go. Oh my gosh, oh cool, it's not big at all. Oh wow! The name of it on the name on the side is, it's a LV and TM monogram multicolor Dragon XL in the Blancs. What is that? XL, and I was like, wait, what is this thing going to be like my actual lanyard on my phone case now that I just picked up? You saw in my other video. But it's not, haha, it is not, that's not massive at all. That is definitely not massive. I mean, it's not small. My other Dragon was like this big, but it's not small, but it's, yeah, that's not too bad at all. So this is in the Blanc multicolor, and it's micro. This is what I loved about the collection. Anything, you know, I'm charm obsessed. I've been saying it every last couple of videos, charm obsessed. And anything charmy or like accessories, I really wanted to get the clay on the phone charm with the hook and the key. I wanted to get that, but that was just so hard to order. Okay, I've just changed the setting of my lens so that you can see it nice and close. Look at that. Super crispy, Jerusha. Just change your lens. So there you can see the hook, the actual claw clasp. Let's go ahead and take the plastic cover off, if we can actually do that. Jerusha, can you do that? Return to preschool. Return to preschool. Okay, here we go. So beautiful shiny claw clasp there, gorgeous. It's got a key, so an actual key ring, key loop, and that's got Louis Vuitton engraved all the way around it. Of course, very Louis Vuitton-esque. They engrave everything like that, and then you have an actual chain with an LV charm, which I just thought was so gorgeous. It gives you the little added extras in this item. Obviously, paying a premium for the collection. I will let you know the price. Get ready, it's hefty. But there's a little LV. Turn that the right way around. There is a little LV for you. And then here you can see the monogram multicolor print there. So going upright and then flipping around the top and going upright that way, so upside down this way. So cheddar leather all the way down on the inside, and then on this one we've got Louis Vuitton, we'll hold it right way up, Louis Vuitton X Takashi Murakami stamped there on the inside of it. And then you have your, you know, Louis Vuitton on the claw clasp like so, and on the back. And then even your little draw pin there has LV. Then you've got Vachette here, cheddar leather. It's raw cowhide leather. So there it is, the Dragon strap. That is what we were in love with from this collection. And the monogram pouch, the little clay pouch with all its dingle dangles, which was like a phone strap as well. Again, I was in love with the phone strap from the Fun phone strap, and I think that was from Spring Summer, but it sold out worldwide. That was gorgeous as well. So the code is MO2463, and this came in Australia at $745. So that is inclusive of shipping. Again, I bought it off the website. Let's go ahead and show you it on my new phone case. And this was from my video a couple of days ago from my Maison de Sabray. It has been going very well. The boys love it. I'm not going to lie. I had to search high and low in the house for the lanyard because it was in the TV room. Because my youngest child was using it as a whip to whip his imaginary horse. That's correct. Zaki has an imaginary horse called Namie. Its name is Namie. I'm not quite sure why, we don't know that either. But he was using the lanyard to whip it and use it as the reins. I'm pretty sure it will go missing permanently. That's fine. It's been great. It is very long, I'll admit. I almost sort of choked myself twice in the car getting out to Pilates. I'm like, but it's fine. But nonetheless, that doesn't matter because ding, oh, a ding. So cute. So we will go ahead and attach this to the Maison de Sabray. It has its own D-ring that has its own clasp as well. So I would just clip this on, swizzle that around so it's nice and safe and not going to be in the actual... Oh, wow. How fun. How fun. Just going to totally warm up and become pliable in the hand. That's beautiful. And with the charm is really beautiful as well. Worked out nice. So nice. And to get a piece from this collection, yes, okay. Yes, everyone, how fun. My thoughts. My thoughts on it. I just watched Amber Ashley's video where she just sat down and she was honest and truthful about how she felt. She put an order in. It has not come through at all. She loves her SA, and her SA has no fault here, which I don't believe any of the sales associates are. It comes from head office. My opinion on it is that it was an over order. I don't think they were doing this at all to create hype, because right now in this climate, in luxury needs, you don't play games, okay? Especially if you're LVMH, you don't play games. I think they definitely over-ordered. I think that they rushed it. I mean, they had time, but I think they rushed it. I think they were probably so pushing to push through the collections. It's all about time now in life, you know, especially after the pandemic. It's like, quick, let's get the next thing out. What's the next thing? What's the next thing? I mean, I don't feel like there's any let up. The site, if you look now, the website's got the menswear collection up. Like, it's Murakami just went to the bottom. And it's just kind of like, it didn't even get time because people haven't even got their items. This situation should be nothing short of mortifying for this world famous, leading across the board luxury design house. Having my own fashion label, having Jerusha Couture and owning packaging and having ribbons and all of that. I think that's why I'm so obsessed with packaging, and always will be, and I've said that in a few videos, because it's the whole experience. You don't walk out of Van Cleef & Arpels not feeling like you're just covered in gold and diamonds, because that's how they make you feel. That's how their packaging makes you feel. Ribbons, etc., bags, blah, blah, blah. Shame. Every single piece, for his name as well. Takashi Murakami's name is on this collection. Every single piece should have been, firstly, full boxes. He should have designed the boxes, let alone just ribbon and the tags or with tissue paper. Full boxes. No, that's not luxury. It's not okay, and it should be across the board. And for a house this size, I definitely think it was rushed. That's all I can tell you. I don't think they did it on purpose. There is no reason to do it on purpose. And the other thing is, you're pissing too many people off. I'm not gonna lie, I think it was really messy, that's the truth. But this is what I picked up, and it is so cute. It is so cute. So thank you so much for watching this another blind unboxing, and I hope you're doing well. Take care. Peace.